let y'all know that no matter what you doing with curly hair, Nairobi and water never ever lets your ass down, okay? Getting right into it, y'all. I received this unit from Alipearl Hair. They sent me their deep wave unit, and within the box came a how to wash your hair manual. They also sent me a whole bunch of wig caps. With the wig caps, they sent me their little satin baggie where you could put your wig into whenever you're not, using the wig, so that it stays, basically longevity. I got this nice satin edge tie for my edges, some bomb ass lashes, a little cute edge brush for my edges when I'm not using my regular one, as well as a bomb ass elastic band for my edges. Alright, y'all, now this is the beautiful unit, and before I go ahead and throw this on top of the glue, I'm just gonna go in using the same foundation that I used for my wig cap, and of course I'm going to put this on the bleached knots just so I have a very natural and realistic look. All right, y'all, now this is literally the most important part. We need to give this wig time to dry. Because I don't have, obviously, the professional hair dryer, the one that you sit under, I'm going to sit here 10 minutes on each side. I will be blow drying each side of this wig using the cool mode on my blow dryer. So as y'all can see, this unit is absolutely gorgeous as fuck, y'all. Like literally 24 inches. And look where it's up to, y'all. Like, I was walking past my mirror, I was like, god damn, this unit is long as fuck. And it's I think this is a 26-inch unit. If not 26, it is 24, because they was not trying to send me no long unit, but that is besides the point. That's okay, it's all right. So as y'all can see, she is very much full, giving everything it has to give. This is a 200 density wig. I've been drying my hair for the past hour. And y'all, just like that, our unit is giving very much 10 out of 10, okay? So I'm just gonna snip the other side and I'm gonna come back and show you guys how it's looking. So what I'm going to do to fully secure this wig onto my head is I'm gonna use my Got2b Freeze Blast Spray alongside with my Ebin Lace Bonds. My hairstylist literally put me on. If you guys saw my birthday vlog, which I will post down below, you guys will literally see that she literally did the damn thing. So I'm actually gonna part some baby hairs prior to me putting all this stuff on. Alrighty, y'all, so now that my hair is pretty much done doing what I gotta do, I'm just gonna use my hot comb to, comb everything back, just so I can get a good proper parting. So I'm just gonna go ahead and straighten my baby hairs before I curl and cut them, or cut and curl them. So now that low-key I was able to get a little baby hair thing going on, because y'all know I suck at baby hairs, okay? So I'm gonna just go ahead and part my unit. And now, because this is a 13 by 4, we don't have that much parting space, but girl, we is gonna make this thing work. So I'm just gonna go in using my Care waxing stick just so I have a nice flat base. All right, y'all, so now that, you know, my hair is kind of sort of, you know, getting where I gotta get, now is time for the deep wave to come into full motherfucking wishing, okay? So as y'all can see, this beautiful unit was provided by no other than Alipearl. Thank you guys so much for sending me this unit. I sincerely appreciate it. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what this unit can do. So I'm gonna go in using my misting spray bottle. First and foremost, I never oversaturate the unit just because you don't want, I just don't want oversaturated hair. That's just me and my preference. Now, if you're into like a very wet unit, you can go ahead and do that, but it's not my flow. So now that the hair is damp, I'm just gonna go ahead and detangle using my Denman brush. And as y'all can see, look at the freaking pattern, y'all. Look at what she's giving. And this hair is thick, y'all. Y'all saw me spraying and this whole back section is nowhere near wet, but it's alright. Going in using my Nairobi, I'm going to be very generous with her, okay? Like, go crazy. And make sure that every single strand of curl gets saturated with the Nairobi. And that's because you want your curls to have definition within each strand. So I just like to make sure that I, you know, give the girls some loving. Now, if you're one of the girls that loves a nice wet look, you can go ahead and leave the hair just like this. But if you have been in tune with my one of my previous viral videos, then you know that I love to diffuse my hair just because it gives it a really nice natural look. So I'm gonna go in using my diffuser. This came with my blow dryer. This blow dryer was like $20 from Ulta. I don't know if they still sell it anymore. I'm gonna try to link it down in the description box below. I'm actually gonna link down everything that I purchased down in the description box below, because your girl, I be buying stuff on a budget. I will tell you, I do not be spending too much money on nothing because it's always something better there, okay? So I'm just gonna go in on a cool mode. All right, so this blow dryer actually has like a cold button that you hold, and it pushes cold air into the hair to lock the curls into place. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do, and just sit back and watch. Now this is absolutely what we're working with. Now if you would like, you can definitely leave the unit like this. You can either use your Denman brush to brush it out, give it more of a nice tease, more volume. The curls are so pretty, so shiny, super gorgeous, and it just frames my face so perfectly. Alrighty y'all, so finally we are finished, and now let's get in tune with the perks of this hair. So as I've been saying for the past, I don't know how long, this unit was sent to me by Alipearl. Shout out to you guys, thank you so much for sending me this beautiful unit. This is their 13x4 deep wave lace front wig. Now this wig is a 24-inch wig, which is actually weird to me, y'all, because word to me, let me show y'all how it looks on me standing up. You see that? My booty look mad flat. I'm sorry, y'all, I don't know what's, you know, going on, but look, when I stretch it out, it goes like to my butt. And usually, like, I don't know if you guys know, or if y'all ever paid attention to like AliExpress and how they put like their inches. But usually whenever they send you bundles or like wigs or whatever the case may be, it's never exactly that 24 inches. It's only 24 inches if you stretch it out to be 24 inches. So I absolutely adore the fact that this to me is obviously longer than it's supposed to be. I thought it was gonna be like up to here, and they would just say, yeah, this is a 24-inch wig, you just gotta stretch it out. That would have pissed me off. Now, for the ones that have watched my video, all of my previous videos, everyone knows that I legit hate how this new thing is going on where these vendors are now sending 13x6 units, but it's really here that has the most parting space, and then from the ear tab is mad skinny and skimp. This wig did not give that at all, okay? She gave 13x4 all the way through and through. Now this unit is very much soft. My only complaint that I have was the shedding, but when you have deep wave wig, when you have a deep wave, curly, whatever type of wig, you have to realize, or at least I have to realize, that it's always going to shed. It's never not gonna shed. So as y'all see, you know, the baddie is out, okay? I absolutely love how this wig turned out, y'all. I was struggling with my baby hairs, but you feel me, they giving what they gotta give right now. They really is, because you know, I'm not a pro at the baby hairs. I'm not even a pro. I consider myself still to be a beginner wig installer because I don't really know how to get the melt all the way. This wig is, thank the Lord, on my forehead, stuck like no tomorrow, and it's looking very beautiful. Now I will link every single thing that I used in the video today down in the description box below for you guys. For the low, because I get everything from Amazon. I know that y'all know that when you go to the Beauty Supply store and you buy any of these items I mentioned today, I know it literally costs an arm and a leg, versus you going on Amazon and getting it tomorrow for like $10 cheaper. You know what I mean? So yeah guys, as always, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I really do hope that you guys loved and appreciated this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. You know the vibes with that one, and I will catch you guys in the next video.